Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Today on the agenda we have a house wash, just a driveway, walkways, some flat work. We have a pole deck, and then we have an HOA entrance sign. So take you around. We're at the first job right now. Show you what we got on this flat work. We got concrete driveway, soft wash up in here. It's a painted section of the walkway, and then around this side we have these stone pavers here, like 18 by 18s, and then some sidewalk, and then this paver patio. This paver patio going down here. So not a whole lot to do here, but it's a start for a day. So let's get moving. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll walk around and show you how it turned out. It's the driveway, the covered porch area. All looks good. Okay, so here's the front porch area. There's paver stones. They're still a little wet, but they'll definitely brighten up. Clean this wall up here too, and then down along the side. So yeah, they're still a little damp yet. So yeah, so that's that. We also clean this little wall area outside as well. Okay, so that's this job here. We're off to do the HOA sign. Okay, so here we are for this little HOA sign. Let me show you this. It's pretty bad up top. Yeah, all that algae and growth on it. Yep, that's all right. We'll make it look all nice and new again. All right, let's get this done.